Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox authentication failed. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox authentication failed, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about Roblox and you will enter. Here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click on clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone and then you can turn on your phone again after all these steps to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.